Welcome to Taranker's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll showcase the top 5 dropshipping tools that can elevate your store. Start at the Taranker homepage. Look for the Finding Products section. Click on Dropshipping to access the top dropshipping apps available to optimize your Shopify store. First up, let's look at the top 5 free dropshipping apps you can use to kickstart your Shopify business. DSers, Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, Trendsy, Pocket. These apps are great for beginners looking to explore dropshipping without any upfront costs. Here are the top dropshipping apps in 2024 that provide excellent features and support. DSers, Zendrop, AutoDS, CJ Dropshipping, Trendsy Fashion Dropshipping. These apps are highly rated and can help streamline your dropshipping process. If you're looking for the best dropshipping apps, here's our top 5. DSers, CJ Dropshipping, Dropshipman, Trendsy, Printify Print on Demand. These apps offer premium features to maximize your dropshipping potential. With Taranker, you can unlock exclusive deals and claim offers directly from the site for these top apps. Use Taranker's Compare feature to see the apps side by side. For example, if you're torn between DSers and Zendrop, you can view their features, pricing, and reviews side by side, helping you make an informed choice. There you have it, our top picks for Shopify dropshipping tools that every beginner should consider. Make sure to visit Taranker.com to explore these apps further, compare their features, and unlock amazing deals. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.